Are you inundated with yarn, project remnants, discount bin bargains, the gifted, the thrifted, and a stash of other odds and ends of unknown origins? This series aims to bust that stash with quick, simple tutorials that use only small amounts of yarn. Welcome to the Scrap Stash. Hey everyone, welcome to Skein Spiner. Today's video is going to be these little mushrooms. These guys are actually part of a larger pattern set I've got, which I'll be releasing next week, hopefully. However, the way I've structured that video, these guys didn't quite fit into that, so that's why I'm doing a separate scrap stash video today. So grab your hooks and let's get started. The bottom and the underside of the mushroom are crocheted as one piece. You're going to begin by putting 6 single crochet in a magic circle for round 1. Round 2 is 6 increases. Round 3 is 1 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 3 times. Round 4 begins with 1 single crochet, and then you're going to repeat 2 single crochet, 1 increase 5 times and finish off the round with 1 single crochet. Round 5 is 3 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. At the end of round 5 you should have 30 stitches in your round, and round 6 is going to be worked entirely into the back loops. So do 30 single crochet in the back loops only. Rounds 7 and 8 are just 30 single crochet. Round 9 is 8 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 3 times. This will bring you down to 27 stitches. Rounds 10 and 11 are 27 single crochet. Round 12 is 7 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 3 times. Rounds 13 and 14 are 24 single crochet. Round 15 is 6 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 3 times. Rounds 16 and 17 are 21 single crochet. And round 18 is 5 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 3 times. At this point, stop and secure your end. You're going to insert your safety eyes between rounds 9 and 10, approximately 3 stitches apart. You're also going to begin adding some stuffing to the body of the mushroom. When you finish stuffing, reinsert your hook, and we're going to continue with round 19, which is worked in the front loops only. You're going to do 2 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times, entirely into the front loop. Round 20 is 3 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. Round 21 is 4 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. Round 22 is 2 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 12 times. Round 24 is 4 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 12 times. And then round 25, the final round, is 2 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 18 times. When you've finished round 25, slip stitch to finish and then cut a small tail. We're going to set aside the bottom of our mushroom, and then we're going to crochet the top in a different colour. The top of the mushroom also begins with 6 single crochet in a magic circle. Round 2 is 6 increases. Round 3 is 1 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 3 times. Round 4 begins with 1 single crochet and then a repeat of 2 single crochet, 1 increase done 5 times, finishing off with 1 single crochet. Round 5 is 3 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. Round 6 begins with 2 single crochet and then a repeat of 4 single crochet, 1 increase done 5 times. Finish off the round with 2 single crochet. Round 7 is 2 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 12 times. Round 8 is 3 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 12 times. Round 9 is 4 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 12 times. And round 10, the final round for the top, is 2 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 18 times. When you've finished crocheting the top of your mushroom, you're going to leave the yarn on the hook, so don't cut a tail or anything like that. Instead, what you're going to do is take the top of the mushroom that we've just crocheted and place it on top of the bottom piece that we just finished. Once you've got those lined up, all you're going to do is crochet the 2 pieces together. To do this, you're first going to work into the stitches of the top, so whichever stitch is next on your hook, work into that. But before you yarn over and pull through to begin your single crochet, you're instead going to work through the stitch of the bottom as well. So work through the top piece, into the stitch of the bottom piece as well, and then single crochet. You're going to do this for the entire way around your mushroom. However, I like to stop about 3/4 of the way, add a little bit more stuffing, and then finish off. Once the pieces are joined together, you're then going to slip stitch to secure your end, cut a tail, and then just weave that into the body. And when that's done, your mushroom's all finished. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this little mushroom. Join me next week where we're going to be crocheting the rest of the set. If you did enjoy this pattern, consider liking and subscribing, and I will see you all in the next one.